everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a really exciting video, and as you read by the title, today's video is gonna be the Eid makeup look. My Eid dress is a little bit grand this time, and I thought why not do a subtle makeup look for this Eid. And also it's really hot outside, so I thought why not make it a little bit simple and a little bit lighter so that if I feel really hot, it doesn't start dripping from my face. So my Eid dress color is a really bright pink color which almost shades to red, but it's a brighter pink color. So I thought I'll do a light pink color eye makeup this time, and also has a little bit gold embroidery on it. So I thought why not accessorize with the gold color jewelry or watch or bangles or whatever. So I'll show you the final dress and the final look at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, and let's get started. So I'm done with my base and I'll be starting my eyeshadow. So this is how it looks finally, and I will change and I'll be back. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the Eid look for this video, and I hope you all like the subtle Eid makeup look also. So this is my final look. So I have the eyeshadow and then the lipstick. It's a bit of a light pinkish lipstick, so I didn't want it to make it darker, but if you want you can apply darker lip shade. So yeah, and I'll attach the pictures in the next one. So this is my dress. It's in a bright pink color and it's a churidar. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the Eid look for this video, and I hope you liked how subtle it was. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.